Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, reliable and efficient residential property services in Speers Point, NSW. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a spotlight on Conveyancing Newcastle, your go-to for residential property services right here in Speers Point, NSW. They're all about making your property journey as smooth as a lakeside breeze, focusing on efficiency, expertise, and your absolute satisfaction. Navigating the legal intricacies of buying or selling a home can feel like a maze, but Conveyancing Newcastle's dedicated team truly excels at managing those complexities. Think quick turnaround times for searches, meticulous contract preparation, and seamless settlement processes. They keep you in the loop every single step, ensuring clear communication and personalised support. It's about taking the stress off your shoulders so you can truly focus on your new home in Speers Point. Now, let's demystify some of those burning questions you might have about conveyancing and why it's so crucial for your property journey. Firstly, what exactly is residential property conveyancing? Well, it's the legal process of transferring ownership of a residential property. This involves preparing contracts, conducting essential title searches, and coordinating settlements to ensure everything proceeds without a hitch. And how long does this typically take? Generally, it's about 6 to 8 weeks, but this can vary depending on the sale's complexity and how quickly all parties respond. Then there's the big one. Why hire a professional instead of doing it yourself? While DIY is an option, a professional guarantees all legal requirements are met, significantly reducing risks. Their expertise saves you time, provides immense peace of mind, and helps navigate any unexpected complexities. With Conveyancing Newcastle, you get swift, smooth transactions, expertise you can trust, clear, timely updates, and truly personalised support, all designed to make your experience hassle-free. Moving specifically to or from our beautiful Speers Point, let's chat about what makes this area special and how our local expertise truly benefits you. Speers Point, a stunning lakeside suburb in Lake Macquarie, is known for its beautiful water views and a relaxed, active lifestyle. It's truly a top choice for families and retirees alike. And when you're navigating the property market here, having a professional conveyancer by your side makes all the difference. Conveyancing Newcastle offers dedicated local insight, ensuring your property transaction is seamless and stress-free. Imagine signing on the dotted line, knowing every detail has been meticulously handled, from searches to contract prep and settlement, all specific to Speers Point's unique legal landscape. Our team provides tailored advice, conducts thorough title searches, and negotiates on your behalf, safeguarding your interests. You'll always be informed, empowered to make confident decisions. So, if you're looking for fast, hassle-free residential conveyancing in Speers Point, book a call with our conveyancing expert today. Let's make your property